Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. As you can see, we are opening up SipsBy. SipsBy is a tea subscription. It is monthly. It costs $16 per month and you get personalized teas based on your preference. I do have a link and a code I will leave down below to save $5 off your first box. Or actually, I think you save $6. You get to try it for $10. If I am wrong, I will correct myself down below. But definitely take advantage if you are a tea lover. Their profile is very extensive and you get to try 4 different teas, 4 of each month. And if you like them, you can get a discount through their website and purchase the full size. So it's a great way to try new teas before committing to a full package of them. And they have been really good. I love SipsBy. I am such a tea person now. Can't wait to see what's inside. The box is even so cute, right? Let's get started. Oh, there's something different here. Let's see what it says. They have some sales going on or something. It says, hello, 3 things to know this November. 1, we're grateful for you. That's so sweet. It says, thank you for being a tea friend. Use code GRATEFUL at checkout to take $10 off your next purchase of $30 or more. And each Friday at noon Central Time, they have a virtual members-only tea party. That is so sweet. And then 3, shop small with us. We've been busy updating the tea shop experience on our site. You have a personalized shop now and more. Oh, cool. Personalized shop. And they have Black Friday deals November 13th through the 20th. That's awesome. Thanks for the info. November teas. Made for Kitty. Hi Kitty, November brings cooler weather, fun festivities, and new tea. We hope your SipsBy box brings you cups of coziness and joy all month long. We're thankful for our tea community and want to let you know that your membership includes invitations to exclusive events. Use a QR code to learn more and RSVP for our virtual tea parties so we can gather over a cuppa together. You guys have to let me know if you're going to do the virtual tea parties so we can do it together. That would be so fun. Let me know. Because I'm probably not the only one that gets a subscription. Let me know, or if you subscribe and want to join me there, that would be so cute and fun. Okay, I'm going to move this back a little. So I guess I should mention on here, it talks about each tea, a little description, what's in it, the caffeine amount, and a little description of it. So let's do, oh my god, this sounds divine. Chocolate matcha, creamy, sweet, rich. And then there's a little QR code in this too. And then 3 ways to prepare matcha the traditional way, a blender, or a bottle. I need to get one of those things. I've never done it the traditional way, but I should. I love matcha. Chocolate matcha. I love like teas that can be desserts, especially if you're like me and trying to be a little healthier these days. And love chocolate still. This is, by the way, this is medium caffeine. And it says, a chocolate lover's perfect pairing. Delicately sweet with a smooth cacao. I don't know why I just stumbled over that. I love saying cacao. Let me start over. Okay, this is by 3 Leaf Tea, by the way. A chocolate lover's perfect pairing, delicately sweet with a smooth cacao flavor. This matcha is the perfect pick-me-up blended with 0 sugar. Awesome, and it's resealable. I appreciate that. And then, ooh, I like this brand. These are always so fun. We have 4 here of these tea drops, and it's chai spice. I love chai, especially in the fall. Oh my god, yum. Look, they have the little caffeine thing. So if you guys don't know, you just drop this in hot water. That's all you have to do. And it's really fun. It dissolves. This has black Assam tea plus cardamom, ginger, and cinnamon. Pour, drop, enjoy. So this has high caffeine, and it says, paying homage to the delicate notes of masala chai tea. This is a spicy and sweet treat that is best complemented by a dash of milk. Yum. So far, I mean, both sound really yummy, actually. I don't know. Let's see what else is in here. Ooh, this sounds really good, too. They all sound like they can be desserty in a way. By staff, we have 4. Look how beautiful these greens are. Moroccan mint. Oh my, I'm just digging the greens. I'm like totally into greens lately in general. So, where is this on here? Low caffeine. A delightful and exotic blend of green tea and mints with a hint of lemon. The Moroccan mint tea is a fragrant, refreshing, and aromatic tea. Great hot or iced. That sounds really refreshing. I'm super excited about that too. And then we have a loose leaf tea. Whenever we get loose leaf teas, it's very convenient. They give you some disposable bags in here, and also this is a reusable muslin bag. So if you don't have like a diffuser at home, that is awesome. Oh my god, this is actually by SipsBy? Cool. This is the first time I received like one of their house brands. SipsBy Earl Grey Yuzu Cream. So this says high caffeine. It says bold, creamy black and bergamot blend with a floral flair and the bright citrus decadence of a yuzu cream Angelise. Ooh, I have a perfume called Yuzu and I wear it a lot. Often, like usually I spray it a little bit before I work out in the mornings. I don't know, it's just like really like uplifting, citrusy a little bit. So I'm excited to try this. I've never actually tried anything like Yuzu flavored before. Sounds really good. So you guys, they all sound super good. Let me know what one sounds the best to you. And again, Soup's bio will be linked down below. This would make a great gift, by the way, since we're coming upon that season for a tea lover. So just a little heads up or a little advice. I think coffee, tea, and candle subscriptions, way to go. But like tea lovers, this would be such a good gift. And let me know if you're going to do a little tea party. And let me know how you're doing. Thank you guys so much for being here. I am so grateful for each and every one of you. I love you so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already. So I will see you in the next video. Bye. I love you.